What is good, YouTube? Today we got a special video and a new playlist I'm starting up on the channel. It's gonna be involving fashion and style, and today we're doing my sister. You got a platform, don't you?
Yeah, I have a TikTok platform called Sammy and Lexi with my best friend Alexa. If you want, you can go check that out. I'm sure you'll put the link in your bio.
And we're just making sure, like, you don't have like 5 followers, right? You have like
11.6K followers on TikTok.
Okay, so we're not just like hyping up somebody who's got nothing, right? Anyway, but we're gonna be doing. She's gonna style me pretty much like a streetwear edition, I guess. Like there's different sections to what you're gonna wear. So what do you have in mind? So
streetwear fashion is more like urban style. It's like skateboarding, a lot of baggy jeans, like lots of baggy cargo pants, things like that. And also sneakers are really important. We really know that Vincent has a lot of sneakers. Yeah.
You can check out the channel for that. Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick 3 outfits out of Vincent's wardrobe, and I'm gonna try to make them like streetwear fashion. So here's some inspiration of streetwear.
So yeah, you said you wanted to make what? Have me put on 3 outfits, as you said?
Yeah, and then at the end, Vincent can say what he liked about them, what he didn't, and which ones he would wear again, and which ones he wouldn't, and why.
They're probably gonna be shit for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
But you already picked it out, right?
Yeah, I already picked everything out, so I guess you guys will see. So when I first saw his hat, I was like, okay, I have to do an outfit with it. So I really like the colors of like the red, so I found a red shirt that would look really good with it. And then the khakis I thought really looked nice with the Air Forces. I think they all just perfectly like went together. So that's why I picked it. So I picked an outfit that would look really good with this Essentials hoodie. Literally, when I found this in this closet, I fell in love with it. I literally want it myself. So I think the shoes look amazing with it. It's almost like the same color. And then the black cargo pants look really good. That really complement like the streetwear style that I'm doing. And with the black cap, it looks perfect. And I also layered it with a white t-shirt underneath. You can see it. And that's it. So I wanted to do something with like blues, so I picked the University Blues, which are like the nicest shoes I think in my brother's sneaker collection. With the black cargos again, with the blue graphic tee and the Blue Jays hat. It looks really good together. This is one of my favorites.
Alright, so that's a wrap. Put on all the outfits that you put together and stuff, and yeah, they were pretty cool. A lot of my stuff that I already bought before, so nothing that surprises me at least. Yeah. So,
what do you think of the first outfit?
The first one, you know, I like that khaki color, beige, like tan, a lot of earth tone in it. Very interesting with like all of it like put together like that. Definitely, I wouldn't have thought to put that together like that. I would have probably spread it out a little more, but yeah, it looked pretty good. Especially with like that hat. Like I didn't really know how to use that hat that much, so.
So would you wear that again?
Yeah, I probably would, yeah. Probably.
Yeah. What do you rate it?
Out of 10? Probably give it 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
Is that not good? I don't know. Why would you give it a 7.5?
I don't know. I think some of the other ones were better. So.
Okay.
Second one was
Essentials hoodie.
Yeah, that's something like you could see me wearing for sure. Just with the black cargo, super simple. You got like the very like light color like Reebok Question mids and the Essentials sweater, which is super comfy. Especially, I can't wait to wear it in the winter. I haven't worn it in the winter yet, so it looks so nice. It's like a gray. I don't know what it's not. It's not a sail, but it's like grayish. It's got it's like a mixture. I forgot. I think Jerry Lorenzo called it moss. I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's really nice. I want to steal it from you.
Yeah, it's pretty. It'll be pretty big for you. And then that's definitely something I would wear 100%. Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you rate out of 10?
Probably like a 9. Probably 9.
Okay.
Yeah. No, 100% wear. 100% wear. Yeah.
That's really nice. Okay, good. And the third one, which is the blue and black.
Yeah, no, I like that one too. Something that I would wear for sure. Just the only thing I probably would have like wore like a blue shirt with it. I probably would have done like hat and fitted, but either or it does look good for sure. And those ones are amazing shoes, so I had to get those ones after I missed out on the mochas.
Yeah,
so.
I had to use the University Blues in one outfit. I had to figure out which one.
Yeah, they go crazy. They go crazy.
And what would you rate that one out of 10?
Probably like an 8.5.
8.5? That's pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. I think just those shoes like are just like amazing color, like just the color palette with the black laces too. And just, I think they just did so good with it. I think they're better than the original UNC's, which was just blue and white. So
what'd you say is your top like favorite out of the three?
I was probably the Essentials hoodie one for
yeah,
sure.
I really like that one too.
Just that like that very light colors with the black and stuff, and it's very simple. Like just, I think anybody can rock that. I think so.
I really like streetwear fashion. After making those outfits, like I never wore streetwear before, so it's like putting those outfits together. I felt like it's really nice.
Well, if you wore streetwear, like what would you wear? Like, do you have anything for that?
Yeah, I have a lot of like baggy jeans and things like that. Like graphic tees are so important as well. So.
Do you have those? Oh.
Not many. So it's like it's not really my style, but I could definitely like get into it.
Yeah, I find people have to have like the sporty stuff, like
yeah.
I'm
not a sporty.
Because all these shoes were used in sports back in the day, right? So that's why it's called sportswear, right? Or like what do they call athletic leisure or something like that? Or like say like a you know like the Nike Tech fleece sweatsuit, like that's called like athletic wear or something.
Yeah, like sportswear.
Sportswear. Oh, same thing, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, we call it sportswear at my store because I work at Sport Check. So
a little flex. Yeah, I don't know. But which outfit was your favorite though?
My favorite, I honestly love them all, but the second or third one, like I really like those ones.
Yeah.
But I also really like the first one because like I feel like the colors really look good together. Like the what is it, kind of like a burgundy, dark red.
Always earth tones, yeah.
It looked, those two colors really look good together actually. I couldn't really pick a favorite. Do you think we should make this a series?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Should we make more?
Because there's a lot of different men's fashion that I could do.
And there's also a lot of people that we have to transform too.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, we can transform a lot of people.
I don't think I really have to be transformed, but there's some people who do. There's some. I'm not gonna name who. There's some people. I think that they should. You know. Maybe it's like everybody in the car. I don't know.
So let us know in the comments what like next men's fashion you think we should put like for the next in the series. And
or transform somebody. So.
Yeah.
And I also have like outfit challenges in the works, like where we go to like a specific store and challenge ourselves who could put together the better outfit by like buying it and shit. So we could do that as well. And then also, where can they find you on the social media? Oh,
Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, those two are what I use the most. Sammy and Lexi. You'll put it in the bio. Yeah. Like, honestly, it's like just like for like fun, and I love like helping people and stuff. Like in my videos, like people say they really like my videos really help them, so I thought like I should keep doing it. Even though I'm in university, it's like really hard to like manage all of everything I'm doing. I'm like I still want to like keep pushing myself to make these videos because it really helps people with their styling. So,
do you think you can do what we do on YouTube, like constantly every day?
I'm not really. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's maybe in the summer.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Work ethic, gotta be better than that. But anyway, guys, like I said, that is a wrap for the video here today. If you enjoyed this sort of video, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you turn that post notification bell as well. Keeps us on speed dial. We are on all the time, posting almost every single day, sometimes twice a day, depending on what it is. And yeah, if you want to see more, like she said, just go smash all those like buttons and shit. Dislike even if you want. I don't care. Just bring that engagement up. We need it. We need it. But anyways, guys, that is a wrap for my sister styling me, the streetwear edition. Later.